Ali?
Klaro po dito.
Bihar Puja is one of the most important socio-religious festival of the Karbis of the plains.
Karbis, plain Karbis तुम्हें.
Hinduism, in its crude form, finds manifestation in the worship of gods, goddesses, and deities. They worship Lord Shiva.
Buhay, nakamusan siya.
In offering the Bihar Puja, the villagers work in unison and they participate with great devotion.